Hey, how's everyone doing? So I have a great product I want to share with you guys that if you're like me and you like working on your own vehicle, it'll come in very handy, and it's something that as your car gets older, you're definitely going to need, or you're going to spend a lot of money going to the dealer if you have a check engine light or anything like that. This will pay for itself in one visit just because how expensive it is to get your car diagnosed to find out what the actual issue is. And when your car's out of warranty, it's kind of up to you to figure it out. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I just got. I think you guys will really like. So check this out. This is from ThinkCar. It's a diagnostic scan tool. Very nice. This is one of the nice ones I've ever used. It's Bluetooth. It comes with everything you need. Has a part that you plug in here, and then it automatically links up to this touchpad. So you just plug it into your port, depending on where it is. Most of them are under the dash somewhere. And then it links it to this touchpad here, so you can find out what's wrong with it, reset codes, all that kind of good stuff. And it's really nice too. It comes in this nice canvas carry bag. Has everything you need here, different plugs, even has a traditional plug if you just want to plug it in if you don't want to do the whole Bluetooth thing. So let me go ahead and share exactly. It's very easy. And like I said, it's nice because it has this big touchpad. And this is a magnetic, so it just magnetizes to the back of this, so you won't lose it. Has everything you need in this kit. So right here you have all the charge cables, you have the different connectors here. And it's nice too because it gives you all the different hardware that you need. Even if you're in a different country, you have different plugs as well. So like this is how you can charge it up. But you have different adapters so you can attach to this so you can plug it wherever you go, which is really nice. Here's a charge cord here. And then here's the adapter so you can charge it depending on where you're located at. And here's the one that you'd use here for the US. But like I said, it won't show anything on my car. I don't have any check engine lights or nothing like that, but I'll go through it really quick to show you. Very easy to use. Has a big power button here. It's a nice touchscreen. Like I said, it's all included here with this kit. And the best thing about this has lifetime updates. So it'll never go out of date. It'll keep updating. You link it to the server and you'll get the newest updates available for it, which is really important because a lot of people charge you each year for that kind of stuff. So this will diagnose your vehicle. If you have issues, you have check engine lights, this will tell you what the reason is. If you're hands-on, you can fix it. You know, because if you go to the dealer, they're going to charge you close to $300 to do this, to plug it in and say, this is the issue. Every time, $300. So you buy one of these, you can figure it out. If it's something you can tackle, has all this stuff here. History, there's a section for notes. So you can really get a good view of your vehicle as it ages and see what kind of issues it's having. Like I said, if your car's out of warranty, this will be invaluable to you. It'll save you money and at least give you an idea if it's something you really have to fix now, like a dire, or it's something that you can just reset and live with for a little bit. That's the most important thing. If it's something really bad, you don't want to keep driving like that. But if it's something that's not major, you can let it go. If money's tight and you don't want to have to spend it right now, this will tell you all that kind of stuff. So it's something that I wouldn't drive without if you're out of warranty in your vehicles. And like I've always said on other videos, new vehicles have their own issues. So I'm an advocate of really keeping what you got. So again, I'll just do a quick run through and show you how it works, but it's seamless. As soon as you put the dongle into your OBD2 port, it'll automatically link up. So I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is. Like I said, what's nice is it's the Bluetooth. So you just take that part off and you plug it under your dash and it'll automatically link up to this pad. You don't have to do anything to it. It knows when you have it connected and it'll register. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you exactly kind of what it goes through. So you just take this right here, like any of the scanners, and you just plug that under your dash under here. Really straightforward. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you kind of what the screen looks like after it's plugged in. Okay, so now it's plugged in here. You'll hear it beeping and then it's automatically got to register. I have to turn the screen back on here. Okay, and then it's got to auto search, and it's got to connect to what you just plugged in. Okay, so now it's going to scan and get all the information for your vehicle. Anything's wrong with it. And like I said, you'll hear beeps and stuff as it communicates with each other. But it's a really nice package. I like this. Like I said, I've seen a lot of these, but this one, it's nice because it has this big touchpad, so you don't have to download like an app on your phone and try to deal with your phone. It's a lot smaller than this. Figure it out. This is a nice screen, nice size screen. Gives you all the information you need. You can work on your car and save a lot of money, because we all know if you take it in for any minor problem, you'll probably spend $1,000 very quickly, especially if it's some sensor. So it's scanning here, and then it's going to bring up your VIN, and it'll bring up all the information on it. And you can do it manually too if you want, but this is so much easier. So right here, you got to pick what it is Honda or Acura. And then here it brings it up, the year, the VIN. And then it's going to do the diagnosis on it, find out, like I said, I don't have any issues with it. So I can just do a quick run through and you can see, and it'll highlight it too, whatever's wrong with it. So you're not really guessing on it. It'll tell you the problem. You can, like I said, you can reset all the lights and all that kind of stuff, but the more important thing to do is to find out what's causing it, because some things you can do more damage if you just keep resetting the lights and driving. So this tool gives you that. So like right here, that's all the stuff. It'll check everything for you, which is really important. All that stuff, power steering, the brake system, everything. So if you have an issue with that, it'll highlight it, and then like I said, you can go from there. At least find out what's wrong with it. If you go to your dealer or your mechanic, at least you know what's wrong. You don't need a diagnosis on it. But it definitely will save you money, and that's why my warranty will be coming up in the near future. I will definitely keep this around so I can have it, so I can at least figure out when something breaks what's wrong with it. And like I said, lifetime updates. So you buy it and it'll keep updating, so it will never go out of date. A lot of them, the cheaper ones, in a year or two, they're kind of obsolete because new things come up and it doesn't have that in there. So very easy to use. It's plug and play really. And you just plug this thing in and then it'll update. And like I said, it's magnetic, so it just connects to the back. So it's all contained here. It's a strong magnet too. Just sucks right there. And then what's nice too, this touchpad has a little kickstand here. So if you're really gonna work on your car, you want to know what's going on with it, display this somewhere and you have all the information right at your fingertips too. So I want to share this with you guys. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description. It's on a good sale right now, so I'd definitely pick it up. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you guys and hope everyone's safe out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.